Hi, my name is Nate McCullough on behalf of Expert Village. In these clips, we're going to talk about some of the possible problems with your windshield washer system and some hints and tips to get better performance out of it. In this clip, we're going to talk about another component in your washer system. The component is the delivery hoses. They're normally rubber lines, which looks like so. This hose is connected to the pumping motor in the bottom of the reservoir. It is the delivery system that carries the fluid to the location of where the sprayer nozzle is. They have small fittings, things of that nature. As you can see, in order to gain access to the bottom part of the hose, you would have to remove a little bit of the fire protectant to get to it. The hose is non-pressure rated. Your washer solvent system doesn't carry a whole bunch of pressure. Any kind of rubber tubing will work. Ask your parts professional if they have any specific recommendations. The hoses, you can tell when they're bad. The only thing that fails on a hose is it'll get a hole in it. If you have a failure in your hose, you'll engage your washer pump motor. Everything will sound the same, and you'll get fluid sprayed all over the underside of your engine and not delivered to your pintle nozzle. So if you're having trouble like that, it sounds like it's all working and nothing's coming out, go ahead and take a look under the hood, and you should be able to find where the failure is just due to the wetness from your washer solvent. This is one of the fittings. As you can see, they use it as a hard point to change the direction between the two hoses. If you were just to take and use a piece of hose, it would kink over and not deliver any solvent. This hooks up to the hood right here. If you have some car work done and notice immediately that your washer solvent is not working correctly, it is possible that they removed the hood in order to perform the repairs on your engine and never connected this back up. So if you notice that kind of failure, just pop the hood and take a look.